Nigerian style fried rice, except you cook it in a creamy and delicious coconut broth. So let's get started. Here I've got my chicken. I'm just chopping it up and then I'm going to take it away and clean it. Now you want to start seasoning it. So I'm going to add a bit of salt, 1 stock cube and some chicken seasoning. I keep the seasoning for my chicken simple and then I just mix that all into the chicken. So you want to take this chicken and you want to boil it. You want some boiled water just about covering the chicken, and you want to take it away and boil it for 15 to 20 minutes. So this is also going to create some chicken stock that we're going to use later on. Now I'm going to start to prepare some of the ingredients that I'm going to include in my fried rice. So here I've just got half of a medium bell pepper and I'm just going to chop it up into little cubes. Next up, you can't forget the heat. I'm actually just using half of a Scotch bonnet pepper here, but you could use a whole one or you could use more depending on how much spice you want. Now I've also got a brown onion. I've got half of the brown onion and I'm just going to slice it up. Now I'm going to prepare my prawns. Again, you want to clean your prawns and then I'm just going to season them with salt, black pepper and fish seasoning and mix that all together. Here's a chicken I cooked earlier on. I'm going to take it away and air fry it. You could also deep fry it or you could cook it in the oven, and that's just going to finish off our chicken. Now I've got some washed rice. I'm adding all of that chicken stock that we just made. I'm also adding my coconut milk, seasoning it with a little bit of thyme and curry powder, and you're just going to cook the rice in this. You want to cook it until it's almost complete because it will finish cooking when we bring it all together and fry everything. Now I've got my wok, I've added a bit of oil and I'm going to start off by cooking my prawns. You always want to cook your prawns first because they cook very fast, and if you overcook them they start to taste rubbery. Now I'm adding in the onions that I sliced early on, and then I've actually just got some frozen veg. Frozen veg just makes life easier. I really do not like chopping. I've got about a cup of frozen veg. Then I'm adding in my peppers and my Scotch bonnet that I chopped earlier on. And you just want to cook this all down. Now I'm going to start to re-add the rice that I've been cooking in that coconut milk. And you just want to add it in parts and mix it all together with your vegetables. And finally, you want to add your prawns on top. And then you just want to let this cook down and all mix together and get all those tastes interlocked for a final couple of minutes, and then you're done. This is a nice little variation on your usual Nigerian style fried rice, and it tastes just as good and just has this delicious creamy kick. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.